What's up, guys? Tim Little. Welcome back to Tactical Bass. In today's video, another fishing video for you out on the water. Got my good buddy Jared with me again. Gonna go see if we can catch some big largemouth, some big smallmouth. It is wintertime fishing. The low this morning I think was 19 degrees. Can't get my back compartments open. Everything's frozen. But believe it or not, fish will still eat. So let's go try and catch them. That dude was out there. You get that?
That's a good one.
Largy. Look at this tail.
It's gorgeous. Black lips.
Nice, dude.
So he was throwing a quarter, a peanut head, on a spinning rod. He just started when we was down here 3 weeks ago. He was up on one of these shallow flats like this. He was throwing a 1/4 ounce jig on a spinning rod, and he caught 2 5-pound large stuff. Yeah. He didn't catch anything on the tournament. I think he might have caught maybe one keeper, but threw a little tiny peanut head. Feeling it fall, and it pulled back as it was falling. And then caught 2 largemouths about the same area. And
doing good over there?
he was like, I'm gonna drag this jig, and it was like 50 foot, 60 foot. And he had 3 bites, pull downs, right behind us, dragging it, going through bait.
Yeah, you guys never fish deep here. Like, you catch fish out west that deep all the time.
They catch them here. They catch them here. 50, 60 foot.
Big large.
What is that, Jake? Two. He got that tube. Pretty fish. Look at that tail. wonder if this is the fish that Matt caught a couple years ago. It has the same black line on the head, or dot on the head, and the black tail. But he straight got this thing. Nice one on the tube. Thanks, dude. All right, guys, a little morning update. Got three fish in the boat. Had 5 or 6 bites. It's just starting to get warm, kind of losing that morning crisp in the air. Really chilly this morning, but Jared's got 2. I got 1. That last largemouth, we were actually talking to our buddy over here, and on the 360 I could see a nice grass line out here, and I just threw that 3/4 ounce tube. That's that big bite tour tube, and was just hopping it on that grass line, and that big largemouth just sucked it up. Had it almost all the way down to the crushers. But 3 nice fish. Gonna keep running around. Really slick calm today, not a lot of wind at all. So gonna go use the electronics, see if we can find some rock edges, some grass lines, and go from there. But beautiful day out. It's winter time, and fish are starting to bite. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you a little trick. Both Jared and I got hung up on back-to-back casts. I'm throwing the tube, he's throwing a Kitech. But it's a really cheap, inexpensive way to make yourself some personal bait knockers. This is just an ounce. You can get them 1.5 ounces, just a basic teardrop lead weight. Make sure it has a swivel or something you could attach a snap to. Then you go buy yourself just a pack of snaps, and you put that right on the swivel. So when you get hung up, keep your line tight, put this on there, close the snap, let that ounce, 1.5 ounces slide down, and 70–80% of the time it'll actually knock the bait off or give it enough weight on slack line to pull that hook out of whatever you're hung up on, and saves you a ton of money. I mean, the snaps cost me $1.79, and I think the 7 weights were like a couple bucks. So for $4 in 2 casts, just saved a tube head, and a Kitech head, so it's already paid for itself in 2 casts. So when you find yourself bored at home trying to organize fishing tackle, make yourself some of those little personal bait knockers, and they work really, really well. All right, guys, I think we're gonna wrap it up. I do want to show you guys this. Great day out on the water. I think we caught, I don't know, 6 or 7 or so. I got a really nice one, really nice largemouth. I didn't catch a lot of fish today. I think I only caught 1, but it was a really nice largemouth. Jared went to work with that jig and caught him really well. But I want to show you guys what we've been spending a lot of our time the last couple hours messing with. And I know some of you guys have had some questions about the Mega Live. So let's go ahead and check it out right here. So Mega Live, right out here you can see, do it for you. Fish sitting right there, that's a ball of shad. You can see fairly clear. I'll have to set up a tripod or something for you guys to do these more in-depth videos, but you can see how cool it is to be able to look forward This is just a ball of shad. Every once in a while we'll see some bass dart up through and spread the ball, but I know you guys have been asking a lot about the Mega Live, and we just want to get really comfortable with it, get experience with it before we show it to you guys. But yeah, check how cool this is. 50 feet out to the right of the boat. How cool is that to see those fish swimming through the balls of bait? Again, still learning this technology. Spend a lot more time looking at the screen than actually fishing, but really, really cool once we get this dialed in to be able to catch these fish and see where the bait ball is and where the fish are. But you guys got to see right there how cool it was for that bait ball to show up and see that one bass swimming through the top of them. Really cool technology, just trying to learn it. But again, we had a great day out on the water. Thanks, Jared, for coming along.
Thanks for having me.
A lot of fun to get to fishing with the buddies, and a lot of trash talk and catching up. So if you guys like this video, hit that like button. Remember, subscribe to the channel. I'll leave all the links down below to the baits that we caught them on. Pretty much a jig and a tube. It was one of those days. Super, super cold this morning. Low 20s, maybe 19, 20 degrees, something like that. Everything was frozen. But it got really windy post frontal, and now it's just bluebird skies, and the bite got tough. But we did catch some really nice fish and had a good one. Had a good time. So guys, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. We'll talk to you soon. Have a good one.